Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Makartt Your Nail Lab Luxe Box for the month of May, and I'm going to be doing a nail tutorial video. So the first thing I got are some mini rhinestones. They are black, but the color also shifts to a dark blue. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera. So I'm just showing y'all a close-up of the rhinestones, and they are really small. They are kind of like Cartier beads in a way. Next, I got some iridescent rhinestones in 6 different sizes, and they are so pretty. I also got some more rhinestones, and these are different color rhinestones and they are in different sizes as well. I really liked these rhinestones. I also got a wax pencil. This box included a lot of nail accessories and I like that, but I think it was a little too much, but it's always good to have rhinestones. So these are mermaid inspired rhinestones, I think, because you get some seashells and starfish rhinestones, as well as some colored stones and some pearls. Next is a glitter top coat, which is just some iridescent glitters mixed in with clear top coat. Then we have this gel polish called Frosty, and it's a blue gel polish, but it's a temperature changing polish, so it changes from a light blue to a dark blue, and I think that's really cool. So I'm just going to be applying the gel polish to a swatch stick for y'all to see, and the consistency is really nice. I did 2 layers and cured for 30 seconds each time. So this is the color of the gel polish right after coming out of the nail lamp. Then this is the gel polish a few minutes later. Next is the polygels. So I got a blue and a pink polygel. The pink is called Bloom and the blue polygel is called Ibiza. The blue polygel is a reflective polygel which isn't released as yet. Makartt is coming out with a reflective polygel kit very soon, and this is one of the polygels that will be included, and it's really great, so I cannot wait for this polygel kit. So let's get into the nail tutorial. So I'm using my practice hand today and I'll be doing a very simple ombre nail set. I start by applying some Makartt base coat to all of the nails and then I cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm starting with Ibiza on the index nail. I applied a large bead of the polygel. And then I'm using my polygel brush that was dipped in rubbing alcohol to form the nail. I start at the cuticle area first and making sure the polygel is placed neatly around the cuticle area. And then I distributed the polygel down the nail to cover the whole nail. I also ensure to form an apex one time on the nail as well. Then I'm just making sure to taper in the sides so I don't have much filing to do when that time comes, and then I cured for 30 seconds. I did the same for the pinky nail as well. This Ibiza polygel is so pretty and it's a reflective polygel, so stay tuned to see how amazing it looks with flash only. And I can't wait for Makartt to launch their reflective polygel kit. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. On the middle nail, I'm using Bloom and I apply a layer of that. And I want this layer to be thin, but I also want it to be opaque enough when it covers the nail. So I make sure that it's neatly around the cuticle area first, and then carry the polygel down the nail. I'm also making sure the surface of the nail is neat and smooth, or as smooth as I can get it, and then I cure. Next, I did the same for the ring nail. Then I'm using Ibiza on the ring and middle nail to create some glitter ombre nails. So I apply the reflective polygel to the cuticle area and then I pat it around the cuticle area to get a neat cuticle line. Next, I bring the polygel down the nail a little, and when I'm ready, I apply pressure and drag the polygel to create an ombre nail. Then I did the same for the ring nail and cured. Next, I encapsulated the middle and ring nail with Makartt clear polygel, but I only showed myself encapsulating one nail and then I cured. So I used rubbing alcohol to remove the tacky layer and filed the nails off camera. So this is after filing off the nails. Now I'm just going to top coat all of the nails, and as you can see on the index nail I developed a hole in the nail, but I'm not too worried about that. I just thought I would show you guys. So I applied the top coat and then I cured for 30 seconds. So this is the finished look, and the reflective polygel looks so good. Oh my goodness, let me know what you think about this nail design in the comments below. You do have a few days left to get the Makartt Your Nail Art sub box. I highly recommend you do that. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye guys.